Did you know that before you begin the credit repair process that you need to take an action step that's going to help move this process along so much faster? So what you want to do is to make sure that your personal identifiers are in alignment from bureau to bureau. That means your name, your address, your date of birth, your social security number, and your job all read the same across the board. What you have to do is simply call the number noted above to all three bureaus. Let the rep know that I want to update my personal information on my credit profile, and then just update the system in a quick call. That's it. That's all. And once you've done that, then you can begin the disputing process or the challenging process when it comes to restoring and repairing your personal credit. It's really simple, it's really easy, but you want to make sure that you're not making yourself a target for identity theft, and also you don't want creditors to be able to cross-reference your information from bureau to bureau. So disassociate yourself from these old addresses and names.